Network Entertainment.
Magandang yan para sa mga artists. Kasi usually ang artist nahihiya makipag-usap sa kliyente.
Yeah, most of the artists kasi are introverts.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, they need someone na extrovert yung kausapin yung mga tao.
Oo.
Nahihiyang mag-invoice yung... Sila pa yung nahihiya eh.
Yeah.
Sa mga yung, uy, may utang ka, pero... Yun.
Mga Immortal, welcome to the Underpaid Podcast. I'm your host, Stanley Chi. Ito ang podcast na pro-employee para sa mga Immortal wherein we talk about work-related topics in a light manner na parang nagkukwentuhan lang tayo sa pantry. This is the podcast for the working class and our topic right now, syempre may guest tayo ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung corporate life niya hanggang sa naging manager na siya ng mga comic book artist. Bago ko ipakilala, yung co-host ko muna, Zar de los Reyes, CRSP,
Hello.
ang inyong career coach and Upwork expert. And our guest for this episode, walang iba kundi si Jiggy Cruz.
Hello mga immortal.
Hi, Jiggy.
Hello.
Welcome to the Underpaid
Thank you for
Podcast.
having me.
Oh, syempre, nire-request ka namin dito ng simula nung gines namin si Roy, yung artist ng Deadpool, sinasabi niya, malaki raw utang na loob niya sa'yo.
Wala siyang utang ng loob. Like, ako nga may utang ng loob dahil nakikinig siya sa akin and I'm really proud of the guy.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Pero bago ka naging manager ng mga comic book artists, let's talk about your corporate job.
Sure.
Oo. Bago yan, like and subscribe to the Underpaid Podcast, leave a comment, rate the podcast, answer the poll questions, and follow us on our socials. Kung gusto nyo mapanood yung video episodes, sa Spotify tayo and nasa YouTube channel ng The Pod Network Entertainment. Okay? Suplado Motors, every Thursday sa Julius and Tintin. Meron tayong Road Trip with Stanley Chi and Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Kompleto kami. Tapos si Zar, i-follow nyo sa LinkedIn.
Yeah, Zar de los Reyes 1. So
Okay.
just follow me.
O, Jiggy, kwento mo naman sa amin, saan ka nag-work dati after graduation?
Pwede sabihin, no?
O, pwede.
Wala na.
Oo, pwede
Wala.
naman.
8 years na akong wala dun eh.
Oo.
That's
So,
fine.
after graduation kasi, yung lola ko sabi sa parents ko na cut niya na yung allowance niya.
Really?
Yeah. So, I was forced, like, maghanap kang trabaho. And she was right because a lot of my batchmates like wanted to take a vacation, ganyan. So, it was
Like a
more
gap
of-
year.
Oo, so, unahan mo na yung lahat. Like, start working. And okay. So, pasa-pasa resume.
Oo.
So, I got in Nestle Philippines.
Was it an advantage or disadvantage na kamag-anak mo politicians?
Kasi marami akong in-applyan.
Oo.
Hindi lahat, like, I guess it's both an advantage and a
Hindi ba lahat kilala?
Ewan ko. Hindi ko na,
Or baka may biases.
yeah, so ever
Yeah.
since kasi, we were just taught to, kung magyabang ka ng bata, papagalitan ka. So you really can't be arrogant at home or ano. So yun. And you're supposed to work hard and
Oo.
being the eldest apo, kailangan set an example for your younger cousins, ganyan.
That's true.
So in school, kailangan good boy ako.
Medyo low profile ka dapat.
Yeah, oo.
Pero sino nilagay mo sa character reference?
Teachers.
Teachers.
Yes.
Hindi ko
Actually,
makakilala
tama
mo
naman.
Di ba?
Tama naman. Tama naman ginawa
Hindi,
niya.
kunyari, nilagay mo character reference, Senate President. Mga
Or tita niya.
Oy, tita mo, di ba?
No, even there was one summer na sabi sa akin, Jiggy, I talked to one of my friends, magsa-summer, huh? And I had school.
Oo.
Oh.
So it's kinda like nag 1 month summer job ako sa Linden Suites.
Talaga?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Lahat.
Housekeeping?
Yeah, parang this
Reception?
is what the real world looks like. Ganyan.
Pinagbuhat ka ng mga maleta.
Hindi ako umabot doon. But naglinis ng kwarto, mga ganyan. And then eventually, nilagay nila ako sa back office. Like I had the whole uniform and everything. And dumaan ko lang. Yeah.
How old were you?
I was 16, 17.
16.
Hatid sundo ka pa nun.
No, sorry. 8, hatid sundo.
Oo.
Yeah.
So nakikita ng mga office mates mo
No,
na hatid sundo ka.
Kasi parang 4 hours, half day lang ako parati.
Oo.
Okay lang yun.
Yeah.
Oo.
Okay lang
Yun.
yung hatid
Kasi I had
sundo.
school.
Mm-mm. So, may mga times ba during the job interview na, sinong kamag-anak mo?
Meron.
Parang you look familiar. Ganyan.
Yes, may ganun. So, like, sabi ko yes.
Oo.
Yun
Ang
lang.
sabi nila,
Okay.
you're hired.
No, I had to, as in dumaan talaga ako. Yung Nestle was like, oh shit, this is my make or break. So dumaan ako sa 3 interviews.
Okay.
May initial and then pumasa ako sa second and then may third. And then, I think I was on vacation. Tumawag na
Yeah.
late in the morning. Yung,
Oo.
yeah. So, okay. So, I start at this date.
Why would you say that it's a make or break?
Because wala na akong masyadong, like, nag-interview, pero wala na yung second. So, when I got the second,
Okay.
this is it. Ganyan. Yun.
So, ilang kayo pinagpipilian?
I don't know.
Hindi mo natin
But we were 15 eh.
Oo.
15 management trainees hired nung 2007. I started May of 2007. Until September of 2016. Exactly 9.5 years.
Oo. So medyo medyo malungkot din yung nag-resign ka kasi napamahal ka na sa kumpanya.
Yeah, it was bittersweet. Pero yun, pagod na rin. And yeah.
Was there a time na habang nasa bakasyon ka, pinauwi ka ng boss mo?
Meron times na, I was on vacation. Tapos, teka, kailangan relax ako dito pero may mga nangungulit, mga ganyan.
Oo,
Yun.
Kasi ano siya eh.
kung mataas ang posisyon mo talaga.
So that was my last vacation of 2016. After
Oo.
that, parang medyo, ano na yun, like, okay.
Okay. Zar, ito, tanungin lang natin kay Jiggy. Sulat mo na lang muna sabihin.
Yung unang salary.
Hindi, yung sweldo nung nag-resign ka.
Alala, I can put the before and after.
Sige,
Oo.
pwede. Ayan. Magre-react lang kami.
Yeah, kasi mataas. You started as a trainee. And then you ended as assistant vice president.
With kaltas o without kaltas?
May kaltas pa.
Hindi, yung kaltas pag nakaltasan na. Magkano na ito?
I think parang nasa mga ganyan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Laki
That's
Laki.
Ang laki nung kaltas
Yeah.
Assistant vice president.
Mm-mm.
But what benefits do you get?
Yun pa. So in Nestle, if you're a single person,
Yeah.
parang less benefits. Kasi if you're married with a
really?
family, libre yung gatas. And sabi, mahal yung gatas eh.
Mm-mm.
Like the
Oo.
infant formulas. And
Oo.
so I didn't really know, but as I talked to my friends and colleagues there, kapag kasal na may mga anak, mas marami silang benefits. Na hindi ko na, But I think now it's changed eh. Hindi ko na naabutan.
Mm. Pero, kumusta yung experience mo being an employee? Were you, pinagchichismisan ka ba? Inaasar ka ba? Or ano?
Yeah. So, nakakatawa.
Parang alam mo na.
Hindi, kasi
Oo.
parang ikaw yung kakaiba ron.
It was weird kasi when my lola died, like, I had to front the media, ganyan.
Oo.
Tapos, ay, marunong ka pala mag-Tagalog. Siyempre, marunong mag-Tagalog. Like,
Bakit hindi ka ba nagtatagalog sa
no, nagtatagalog
Nestle?
ako.
Okay.
So, hindi nila ako kilala. So, yung mga nakatrabaho ko na lang sila after the fact.
Yeah.
Ano. So, they assumed na English boy ako. But I had a hard time speaking English when I was a kid because turo sa amin talaga sa bahay Tagalog.
Oo.
Oo.
Until now.
Okay naman Tagalog mo
Oo.
eh. No twang or anything.
Tapos, the weirdest question I got na naalala ko was, ano kinakain niyo sa bahay?
Oo nga. Ano kinakain
Parang,
sa
sir,
bahay?
Ano yung ibig sabihin? Parang nilagang manok, ganyan, sinigang. Like,
Mga parang anong ulam nyo?
bistek. Oo, ganun. Sabi ko, kinakain niyo. Siyempre, kinakain namin yun.
Sino nagtanong? Friend mo sa school or
No.
sa Nestle?
In Nestle.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Yung mga blue collar sa Nestle, what do they ask you? Nag-uusap pa kayo?
Oh.
Anong sinatanong
No,
sa'yo?
yung mga non-managerial.
Oo.
Wala naman talagang,
Wala kang nag-perform ka sa Christmas party nyo.
okay, so na-avoid ko,
Actually, gusto ko malaman kung sumayaw si Jiggy.
I didn't want to dance.
Oo.
So I actually hosted. So considered yun. Well, I'll take that any day over dancing or singing.
Okay.
Yes.
So you volunteered?
No,
Ganon.
din ako inassign. So ito na yung
okay.
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 Christmas party yun.
When people work with you, takot ba sila sa'yo? Barkada ba touring sa'yo? Or medyo may ilang factor?
Hindi talagang
ganyan?
yung my first stint as a management trainee was extract salesman sa Kamanava during the rainy season.
Oo.
So sinabi nung boss namin, Jiggy, mamamalengke ka sa Kamanava. Okay, ganyan. And niloloko ko ng mga friends ko, the province of Kamanava. Ayun, so sari-sari store, nagbubuhat ako ng mga Milo, Nescafe, Nestea. Yeah, and even yung mga Bear brand na nakalata. Ayan.
Wow.
And then for a time, so twice ako nag-sales. I experienced Gen Trade and Modern Trade. So nag-Robinson Supermarket din ako. So when you start, you're supposed to have like a weekend as a merchandiser.
Okay.
So nilagay ako sa Robinson's Metro East during a sale.
Does that mean that you handle yung mga groceries
Yes.
and the, like, for example, sari-sari store market?
This is sari-sari store yung Gen Trade. Like that was
Okay.
4 months. And then yung 20 months yung program. Wherein 16 may 4 months ka sa marketing, sales, sales support, ganyan. Yung second stint ko sa sales was with Robinsons. So yung unang weekend ko, pina-merchandiser ko sa supermarket,
Wow,
Metro
okay.
East. Oh, yun. So
Merchandiser is the... Ano
yung
ginagawa?
mga refiller.
Okay.
Nilalagay sa shelves.
Okay.
So
Got
doon
it.
ko nakita yung ang bilis pala ng off-take nitong, let's say, the Nestea. Liter. Parang kakalagay ko lang nito.
Palit ka ng palit. Okay.
Nung time mo, ano yung number 1 product ng Nestle?
Well, the big three has always been
Parang
coffee,
milk.
milks, and Milo.
Oo.
So it's Milo, Bear Brand, and Nescafe. Yeah.
Coffee, milk, and Milo, ha?
Yes.
Oo.
So yung unang-unang sari-sari store na pinasukan ko nung first week, doon ko nakita, may copy ko, what candy to Kaka-start lang nun. And that was the start of the rise of Copico
Yung
because
3-in-1 na...
sinabi was nawalan ng stock ang 3-in-1, Nescafe 3-in-1 for a week, 1 or 2 weeks. So doon nakapasok yung Copico. It was 20 grams versus Nescafe's 14. So sinasabi ng mga nung nag-consumer insight, bakit mas malakas si Copico? So apart from it being sweet and...
Matapang.
Actually matapang siya.
Matapang siya.
Oo.
And they used like a coconut milk dun sa...
Oh.
So iba yung lasa niya.
Mm-mm.
And yung 20 grams, pwede mong ihati, like dalawa kayo. And
Okay.
Yung
still,
sachet niya na ano.
Yeah.
Oo.
So if you split the sachet, it'll still taste good. Si Nescafe daw, pag ihati mo, malabnaw na.
Well,
Because
that's
it's
good. That's good insight,
Hindi kasi siya
Yeah.
matapang. Yung
Oo.
Nescafe. Oo.
And then Copico also broke the 5 peso barrier during that time. Naging 6 pesos yung Copico Brown.
Oh, okay.
They introduced brown sugar and then, yun na.
Oo, yun.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yung Energen sa inyo rin.
No.
Sa iba yun.
Hindi sa, like, syempre, hindi na sa akin.
Hindi na sa inyo yun.
But yun, magaling yung that Indonesian company.
Yeah.
So when I was in Nestle, merong mga insight like in different markets na ang kalaban talaga are the local players. May ganun. So like here it's URC, ganyan. Pero yung Mayora came from Indonesia eh. So parang nag-copy-paste sila ng strategy sa...
Pilipinas. It's the same demographic kasi. Oo.
Kasi yung Energen kalaban ni Milo. Yung Copico kalaban ni Nescafe. And then meron din silang kalaban ng Bear brand.
Yeah.
I think.
So is that part of your job? Like,
Which one?
Like customer insights, like
Nandun
the
siya,
information
oo.
that you're giving us right now.
When I was a consumer marketing manager, parang we were invited or / required to attend these may mga seminars with like Nielsen, yung mga ad agencies,
Yeah.
yun.
Oo. May time ba na pinipirata ka ng ibang kumpanya?
No, I wasn't,
Hindi
I was never pirated.
hindi ka tinangkang i-pirate.
Oh, during the time, parang it's all about loyalty and yun.
Yeah.
Hindi. So,
Ayoko.
sometimes you get to meet other people sa different companies. Wala, kahit na ano. So, paano ka na, after yung Nestle, nagtrabaho ka sa Chris Aquino Productions?
Yes. So, the reason why nung nag-resign na ako, my tita called me, oh, I heard you're looking for, do you want, yes, game, I'll join you, ganyan. So, parang ako yung naging liaison niya to the different multinational companies. Since I knew the game or yung pwede pang taasan to or masyadong mataas yung hinihingi natin. You know?
Were you given special treatment since kamag-anak ka? Kasi pag sa Chinese, pag kamag-anak ka, tapos nagtrabaho ka
actually,
sa
mas strict pa yung tita ko.
eh.
Talaga?
Kasi parang it was all about, for her, appearance was important.
Okay.
So parang, ano yan pag makilala mo siya, masascan ka. Matitingnan ka head to toe. So,
yeah.
ito, nagbigay siyang pera, bumili kang bagong damit, mga ganyan. I'm okay
talaga?
with sneakers, but you gotta, like, okay. And then, you gotta lose weight. Mga, okay.
Okay.
Ginawa niya
May
sa'yo
ganon,
yun.
may ganon.
May ganon ka.
Oh, but the one I drew the line na nung biglang nag-book ng, I'm not going to the derma. Maraming, no.
Hindi
Yo.
ba kaya she's just being your tita? Kaya,
It was a mix. So, I can
Yeah.
honestly say na ako yung pinakamalapit na pamangkin. Because in age gap namin is 15 years. And her age gap with my mom, yung eldest, is 15 years also. So parang I can call her ate dahil ate
Yeah,
niya.
yeah.
Or pwedeng tita rin yung mom ko.
Okay.
Oo. But
So-
during the time, there was no dull moment whatsoever. Longest meetings
Yeah.
din namin was with my tita.
Talaga?
Oh,
What was the meeting like? Puro trabaho ba o more on chika?
it's a mix. So may isang time na we were talking to, sa bahay niya, may isang derma owner na pumunta doon.
Oo.
And the meeting started at around 7 p.m. Like a little before 7. And we ended at mga 2 a.m.
Ano to? Letter B, letter C?
Na
Yung derma na
sabihin
owner.
ko na lang after.
Sige.
after na lang.
Pero off the record, nakakatawa
Oo.
talaga yung unang question na right off the bat. Parang seryoso, ganyan. And then there were some mga ad agencies kausap na one of the owners, ex niya was a celebrity.
Oh.
So tinanong niya, bakit kayo nag-break ni, And this person was the only one na did not break. Hindi niya talaga sinabi.
Really?
Oo, as in bilib na bilib ako.
Okay. Pwede mo isulat. Sulat mo.
Dapat nga, ano yung offer sa kanya yung tita niya,
Oo.
no?
Minatch lang niya.
Minatch lang niya.
Sabi niya, I'll
Okay.
match the Sure.
Okay.
Hindi
So,
na ako nag-isip.
She gave you pangbili ng damit.
Kasi may
You
ganun
needed
may
to lose
benefits.
weight. And then, bibigyan ka niya ng pera pang derma.
Hindi.
Ako na mayaw.
Ayoko na yung derma.
Pero,
Umayaw na nga
bibigyan
siya
ka niya ng
Hindi na. Like, syempre parang nahiya.
sariling mo na lang. Oo. So, ano pa yung requirements niya? Na
Wala masyado. That was it.
O kailangan matalino ka pag nagtrabaho ka sa tita niya. Oo. Hindi
Mabilis
pwede.
ka,
Mabilis
oo.
ka
Oo.
dapat. Oo.
Dapat in the know ka sa nangyayari.
Sa mga nangyayari.
Yeah.
Were you not being paired sa mga ibang artista?
No.
Hindi ka
Never.
niya pinipilit na wala
Never.
kang girlfriend. Ganun.
I did, parang she was kind of, parang baka ma-distract daw ako sa, so okay daw
parang
na,
ayaw niya.
yeah.
Okay, sa family ngayon, di ka pinipressure na mag-asawa.
No. I'm not being pressured, but yung extended family yan, mga, ilang taon ka na?
Mm.
Wala pang, parang,
Yung usual.
I was like, why do you care?
Yeah, the usual. The usual.
Oo.
Oo. So, ilang taon ka sa Chris Aquino Productions?
So that was from 2016 to 2019.
Na-increasean ka?
Yes.
Ilang percent?
Hindi, parang thank you na lang eh. Kasi,
Oo.
like,
Kamag-anak
it
naman
was more, may free time.
Naging
Yeah,
ganito
yeah.
ka, naging ganito.
Hindi naman, hindi na.
Wala.
Parang may mga, like Christmas, may mga, I think there was also, like an incentive program. Like, if you get kung may makuha kang deal with a brand,
Oo.
may share ka doon.
Ilang percent?
Paiba-iba eh. Meron siyang
Depende.
mga,
Oo.
nothing was final with her.
2%, 5%, mga ganon.
Mga ganon.
Kasi pagka sa sales, minsan 1%, 2%,
Yeah,
ganon
yeah.
eh. Pero malaki
Yeah.
na yun.
Oo.
Oo.
Tsaka, pero yun, doon ko ginamit yung connections.
Okay. So, nung nawala ka dun sa Chris Aquino Productions, naging comic book.
So that was
Ano ka na ba?
2019.
Oo.
And when she got ill, I said, she's gonna call it a day and retire. Like, I gotta do something.
Mm-mm.
Yun namang gusto kong gawin. And parang, yeah. I wanted to do something I loved. So, sabi ko, tulong kaya ang daming mga comic book artists dito. And yun.
Kasi alam ko, pagka Comic Con, nakikita kita palagi. You even hosted one of the Comic Cons eh. Yung parang Comic Con Awards.
Tagal na yun.
Tagal na
pero
yun.
oo.
Diba?
Yeah, so it was just really my passion. And when I was in Nestle, mga, kunwari, team building, biglang may mga pop culture or geeky. Sila, yung sagot dito, ganyan.
Oo.
Yeah, and then during the pandemic, I also did quiz nights.
Mm-mm.
Before that, I had like a side hustle with Globe and one of their sub companies called Shure.
Mm-mm.
SHOOR.
Yeah, I know, sure.
Yun. So,
Sila yung
Yeah.
nagsimula ng mga online na mga events.
so yung quiz na, yung pandemic, I had to keep busy. I had to keep my mind like working and dapat productive. So,
Yeah.
weekly, may quiz night.
Mm.
Gumagawa ako
Fun.
ng questions.
Ano yung mga favorite na topics mo pag quiz night?
There was one, yung pinakasikat was the Pinoy pop culture.
Ooh.
So like I had a question
Oo.
where was the very first Starbucks in the Philippines?
Okay, sagutin ko.
Yeah.
Saan?
Sa may Glorieta ba yan?
So you gotta be more specific.
Okay. Near, was it Shangri-La?
Yun, so
Yeah.
6750.
6750.
Okay.
Oh.
750. Pero I did the most controversial question I asked was Christmas time yun eh.
Oo.
So parang choose multiple choice eh. Choose the parang ingredient na wala sa traditional Filipino fruit salad. So nilagay ko din papaya because there's papaya in the mga Del Monte cans.
Oo.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Hindi nila alam. So nagwala sila, saan may papaya? Sabi ko, tumingin kayo ng can.
Oo.
Yan yung nilalagay, di ba? Ano yung
Yeah.
papaya? Wala na sila nasabi.
Ay,
So as
hindi ko alam
a
yun.
quiz night host, you need to back up the questions with facts. Dapat alam mo.
Doon sila nagwala.
Dapat alam mo yung pronunciation.
Kasi maski na ako, hindi ko alam na may papaya eh. Hindi ko na-realize na may papaya eh.
Tapos may isa akong trick question eh. Like, what is not a chippy variant? So ang ginawa ko lang was kasi ang favorite ko yung garlic and vinegar.
Oh, bago
Yeah.
yun eh. Bagong
Green.
flavor yan eh.
So, ginawa kong salt and vinegar. Pero may isa, lemon and cheese. So, people thought, lemon and cheese. Hindi, meron eh. Nagkaroon to. But there's no salt in it. It's garlic and vinegar.
May mga trick question.
Yes.
Oo. Okay. Dahil dati kang executive ng Nestle, anong masasabi mo na yung isang Olympian eh parang ayaw niya dun sa isang brand ninyo?
Hindi ko na alam to. Really? Ayaw niya sa sa
Ayaw
brand?
niya. Hindi raw siya kinuhang endorser, iba in-endorse niya.
Yung sinabi ba niya yan? Stanley?
Hindi, pero parang yun yung
Yun yung,
iba yung
Wait, which-
impression.
Yung kapangalan niya yung brand? Hindi.
Hindi. Ito yung brand. Ang kinuwang endorser ito. Oh.
Okay.
Ang hindi kinuha ito. Tapos
talaga?
may bago siyang ini-endorse na chocolate brand. Tapos sinabi niya, mahilig siya sa chocolate drink, kaya lang hindi raw healthy.
Wow.
Bago yan. Oh.
As in, very new.
Oh.
No, but I can say for a fact that healthier yung because it's the one with less sugar.
Oo.
Ooh.
Ito, mas healthy ito.
Oo.
Oo. Kasi pinaparinggan nito eh. Tingnan mo sa Facebook.
No, of course, I don't wanna, pero wala na ako dun eh.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
But it was parang grassroots naman talaga yung brand niya yun.
Oo. Would you get him to endorse? Ikaw ba may say ka sa mga endorsers?
Noon,
Oo.
hindi, parang yung, it's an upper management. You
Yeah.
get to suggest
Oo.
with, yung parang, ito yung reco namin because point A, B, and C. And then, may
The
agency,
advertising agency would
May
recommend.
mga
Yeah.
ganyan
Oo.
eh.
Pero kasi pag sinabi ng kliyente, ito yung gusto namin, nakausap na namin eh. Wala na magagawa sa agency dyan.
Yeah.
Oo.
Oo.
But if yung kausap kung close ka dun sa boss mo of the business unit, ko-convince mo na
Oo.
we believe in this person.
Oo. Pero hindi na endorser ang tawag, ambassador na
Brand
tawag nila.
ambassador.
Brand
Brand
ambassador.
ambassador.
Para safe, hindi na yung hindi na endorser na kung may gawin mang kalokohan yung talent,
Mm-mm.
labas na yung brand doon. And nasa kontrata na pag may ginawa ang kalokohan, kakancel yung kontrata mo.
May mga ganun.
May ganon.
Ay,
oo.
ganun nga.
May isang celebrity na kausap ko, hindi siya pwede makipag-away.
Wow.
Hindi siya pwede gumawa ng kalokohan. Kasi makakancel kontrata niya tapos yung pera na binayad sa kanya, babalik pa niya.
Ito ba yung moral clause or
May
something?
ganon, oo. Meron.
Delikado rin yung ganun eh.
Mm.
Kailangan mo pang ibalik. I just entered Nestle at the time. 2007. Si Cesar Montano was endorsing Coffee Mate.
Mm-mm.
And may clause that you can't run run for
Oh, okay.
office.
Oo.
Biglang tumakbo siya. So naka-cancel yung ano niya.
Binalik ba yung bayad?
Hindi ko na alam. I just started first week ko lang dun.
Oo. Pero I'm very interested about, alam mo, Jiggy, gusto kong tanong, bakit Jiggy yung name mo?
Justin Benigno, yung IG
Okay.
doon. Yeah.
Kaya ba Jiggy?
Yeah.
Jiggy. But you go by Jiggy talaga.
Yeah. Ever since. So may, when the song came out, okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it yun.
Yeah.
Diba? Oo. Sa MIB yun eh. Diba?
After MIB.
Yeah.
Oo, pero nandun yun sa, in the Big Willie style album, na nilagay yung MIB dun eh.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yung kanta ni Will Smith na niloloko nga siya ng wife niya nung nag-rapper siya.
Oo. Pero bagay yung name ni Jiggy doon sa profession niya ngayon, no? Doon sa comics.
Oo,
Cute
hindi.
eh. Jiggy, it fits eh.
Sino yung unang talent na kinuha mo?
Miguel Mercado.
Siya yung artist nung Archie.
Yes.
Ba? Oh.
Talaga? So, ano ginawa niya sa Archie?
May cover na nasa Luneta yung gang.
Oh, I didn't know
Yeah.
na meron.
Yun.
That was 2019.
And then, what else do you do for the comic book artist?
So, I never said na, uy, kunin mo naman to. In 2011, family friends namin yung owners doon ng National Bookstore. So, because at the time, kilala ko, I'm still active within the comic book community. So, they got people to join events, ganyan. So, naging friend ko yung talent scout ng Marvel noon. He was talent scout at the
Si
time.
CB. Oo, CB Cebulski. Oo.
So 2011, and then 2012, bumalik siya dito for something. And then I messaged na, hey, what are you doing? Are you, actually, no, I'm just gonna be by myself. Huh? So, love ko, walang mag-aalaga sa'yo. And then, ako, I'll take you out. So may 2 days doon na sama ko lang siya.
Oh, wow.
And naging good friends na kami ever since.
And then, do you get to meet other executives from Marvel?
Yes.
Oo.
So in San Diego, yun, pinapakilala sa akin. I attended one of the after parties. And nakilala ko yung mga writers, may artists. Yun.
Oo. Does it pay well to manage comic book artists?
I wouldn't say na, but you gotta work hard.
Mm-mm.
Since the artists work hard, I gotta work hard also. So parang it's like a team effort. Kasi with kunwari kala Roy,
Oo.
yung I didn't take any, sabi ko I don't want to take any agent fees. Sa inyo lahat yan.
Pag sa local na
Or kunwari may makuwang
Oo.
project, I don't want to get any cut. You can ask everyone na,
Mm-mm.
no. I don't
Masarap pa maging manager.
Ayun. As in, ayun. Pero sabi ko, gumawa ka ng original art.
Mm-mm.
Para yun yung, kasi they'll need that in the future.
Oo.
Yun. So now, because of yung after the podcast, sabi ko, kailangan nila ng, like, where to put yung kailangan nila ng, like, they gotta be more business savvy. Where to put the money, ganyan. Hindi lang pwede natutulog sa time deposit, ganyan. So may mga friends ako into stocks and so sabi ko, dude, can you do like an hour seminar like basics? Tapos in return, magsi-sketch sila for you. Ganyan. Yun.
So, are they investing in stocks na?
Gagawin pa lang yan.
Okay.
Pero baka by the time this airs, meron ng...
Sana pala nag-sit-in tayo dun sa seminar ng investment
Ikaw,
ng
ano ka
stocks.
rin, di ba?
Well, hindi pa nangyayari.
Hindi pa nangyayari. Pwede ba kami sumama
okay.
dyan?
Baka pwede mo pa siyang i-guest dito eh.
Pwede.
Tama.
Actually, gusto ko nga gusto namin mag-invest sa stocks.
Mm-mm.
Kaya lang.
Maraming alam yung friend ko.
Oo. Kasi hindi naman kami familiar. And magandang yan para sa mga artists. Kasi usually ang artist nahihiya makipag-usap sa kliyente.
Yeah, most of the artists kasi are introverts.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, they need someone na extrovert, yung kausapin yung mga tao,
Oo.
nahihiyang mag-invoice, yung, sila ba yung nahihiya eh?
Yeah.
Sa mga, yung, uy, may utang ka, pero, yun. So, I'm there to, well, the reason why I wanted to start it was, ayokong nilolowball eh.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
In other countries, ganyan na, there was one guy, he was paid $100 for a commission. Tapos, siya pa nag-ship. Sabi ko, hindi ka nag-charge for shipping.
Mas mahal yung shipping eh.
Oo, so sabi ko, may pamasahe pa.
Oo.
Sabi ko, this will never happen again to you. Yun.
Okay. Ayun. So, masaya yung kwentuhan natin, Zar.
Mm-mm.
Alam ko naman, yung anak mo mahilig sa comics din.
Oo. President ng comic book club yun. So, dati. Yung grade school.
Oo. Pero paano ka kumikita bilang manager ng comic book artist? Kasi I know you're doing this dahil passion mo to, nag-enjoy ka sa ginagawa mo, and I'm sure hindi mo talaga kailangan yung hindi mo kailangan yung commission
you get a percentage if you sell a piece.
So
yun.
yung original comic book na artwork,
Yes.
how much is one page?
It depends.
Kunyari, splash page ng
Depende rin. Depende sa character and so it really
yung
depends.
very common na parang lang, ballpark figure. Di mo kailangang sabihin yung exact na yung range lang. Ganun.
Dollars kasi.
Okay lang.
Sabi mo 200.
Okay.
Oh.
Pwede na, not bad na. Magkanong nakuha mo ron?
Yun yung I won't discuss.
Basta
na
may
yun,
percentage
yes.
ka ron.
Okay. Which is fair.
Mm-mm. Sino ang pinakamahal na comic book artist ngayon?
In the world?
Hindi, sa Marvel. Pinakamalaki maningil.
I wouldn't know the rates kasi.
Hindi, not the rates. The artist lang.
Tingin ko Alex Ross.
Oo nga. Pwede,
Talaga? Anong ginawa ni Alex Ross?
Ang galing kasi mag-watercolor nun.
Yung
Painting talaga eh. Ang galing eh. Magaling talaga.
If I were to guess, it might be Alex Ross.
Alex Ross.
But sa DC, Jim Lee.
Pero ang dami kasing gumagaya kay Jim Lee eh.
Yeah, but if you get a Jim Lee commission, it's $20,000.
I'd rather have a Joe Quesada than a Jim Lee.
Mahal din ang joke.
Joe Quesada mas gusto ko. Yun. Nung 90s.
Azrael.
No,
Lahat
The
ba
Ray.
yan? Lahat
meron
ba
ako
yan?
nun. Meron ako nun.
Mga artists within Marvel and DC.
Oo. Kasi, pero ito
okay.
may mga artist na bagay mag-drawing sa DC. May mga artist na bagay mag-drawing sa Marvel eh.
Yeah.
Na pag lumipat from Marvel to DC, tapos, ba't parang
Like
iba?
there are certain styles eh.
Oo eh.
Kunwari, dark yung... This artist will have a hard time being in a, let's say, Moon Girl and Devil Dinosaur na bright colors and hindi eh. And let's say yung mga comic book for kids. Hindi pwede yung mga ibang artist doon.
Kunyari si Campbell, si Scott Campbell, no? Pinag-drawing mo ng mga Teen Titans pwede.
Yes.
Pero pag pinag-drawing mo siya ng ibang klase, kunyari Darkness, hindi bagay eh.
No.
'Di ba?
No.
May
Tama,
mga ganung
tama.
artist eh, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Let's say gumawa siyang The Crow or...
Oo, hindi siya
Kailangan
pwede.
babae.
Oo.
Ganyan.
Yung mga vampirella, pwede siya.
Pwede pa.
Ganon.
Or may, yung mga ikemen na, yung mga opa, ganyan.
Ayan,
pwede siya doon.
Oo, pwede siya. Tapos kunyari, Jim Lee, pinag-drawing ko. Although magaling si Jim Lee, pag pinag-drawing siya ng DC na characters, feeling ko mas bagay siya sa Marvel eh.
Like yung mga kasi doon siya sumikat.
Doon siya sumikat eh. Si Joe Quesada nung nag-Marvel, namimiss ko yung style niya sa
Okay
DC
naman sa akin yung ano.
Okay yung Daredevil.
Yes.
Oh, yung Spider-Man niya.
I like yung Spider-Man. Pero pabago-bago rin siya ng style ng The Spider-Man.
Mas gusto ko yung Spider-Man ni sino yung nagdo-drawing ng Hulk ngayon na dating Spider-Man?
Stegman.
Yung
Otley?
Yun, si Ryan Otley.
Yeah.
Mas gusto ko Spider-Man ni Otley.
Kasi because of Invincible. Kaya binagay siya sa
Galing
Spider-Man.
Oo, yun.
Nakakatuwa naman kayong dalawa, nagkakaintindihan kayo.
Sorry.
Parang nanonood
Geek
lang
to
ako, parang I'm sure yung mga listeners natin, ano kaya pinag-uusapan ito dalawa? Yung mga hindi...
So may friend ako sa Nestle na nung we're the same, ganyan.
Yeah.
Nagkakaintindihan kami.
Yun.
And this friend of mine, kinonvince ko siya, sama kang Comic-Con, like, biglang, Jigs, this might be my last year. So, sure, ganyan. Sure, it's your last year. And then following year, well, you're here again.
Comic-Con sa Pilipinas o sa...
San Diego.
San Diego.
Yeah.
Yun.
Ay, gusto ko pumunta doon.
It's the annual pilgrimage.
Oo.
Yeah.
Actually, ang mga favorite artist ko, bukod kay Joe Quesada, si Dale Keown. Mahilig ako sa Hulk na Yung nga pinayo ko kay Roy, sabi ko, mag-drawing ka ng Hulk.
So, who's your favorite Hulk artist?
Si Dale Keown.
Siya yung
Oo, siya yung
Okay.
Si McFarlane kasi, yung masyadong yung Hulk niya. Oh, maganda rin.
Yeah.
Pero, Dale Keown talaga. Oo, sa kanya tumatak yung yung Smart Hulk, di ba?
Yeah.
Galing.
Dapat mag-meet up kayo, tapos yan lang yung pag-uusapan nyo. Yung the whole time. Parang,
Ayaw maniwala ni Roy. Sabi ko kay Roy Mercado, mag-drawing ka ng Hulk kasi lahat ng artist ng Hulk sumisikat.
Talaga?
Kung isipin mo, sino yung mga artist ng Hulk, sumikat lahat yun.
Joe Bennett for Immortal Hulk.
Diba? Oh, marami.
Yeah.
Si Todd McFarlane, di nga niya alam na nag-Hulk eh. Sila sino pa yung mga Sam Kitt, nag-Hulk din yan dati.
Mahilig ka talaga sa Hulk.
Oo.
Yung friend ko sumasama sa akin, sa Hulk din siya eh.
Oo.
Like, loves the Hulk.
Gray, green. Yung red, hindi ko na masyadong trip si Red Hulk.
Because it's not Bruce Banner.
Oo, hindi siya. Pati yung Awesome Hulk na Korean, ay, hindi ko na masyadong.
May Korean.
Si Amadeus
Show.
talaga.
Oo, yun.
Pero anong tips nyo? Like, tips for aspiring comic book artists?
Ayan, si Jiggy, para imamanage kayo ni Jiggy.
So ito, mga kwento. So let's say if you're an artist and kunwari nag-portfolio review ka, you're given a sample script. You're supposed to finish that within, let's say, 5 pages. Dapat 2-3 days send mo na. Tapos, you need to draw everything to a T. You can't change like certain characters or Kasi, ibig sabihin, hindi ka sumusunod.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ito yung script eh. Yung, I'm an artist, I'll do my own take. Cannot. You're supposed to follow.
Oo.
Of course, dapat sinasabi ko, best foot forward.
Yeah.
You gotta submit on time, ganyan. So may isa, nag-submit ako ng pero wala akong reply. Sabi ko, how long till you submitted? Mga 2 months. Kasi sabi ko, bro, mahirap na yan. Dapat within the week na send mo yan.
Yeah.
Baka nakalimutan ka na nung
Because
writer, nung editor.
these editors get hundreds or thousands of emails daily from artists all over the world. It's so hard to get in. And what's harder is to stay. Sinabi ko, currently, para kang bata na tumitingin sa swimming pool na nagsiswim sila. But once you dive in, can you actually swim? Or will you sink? Ganon.
Yun. Gandang tip yan ha. Pero, sino na ngayon mga minamanage mo bukod kay Roy? Kay Miguel?
So, Von Randall.
Spawn artist.
Yeah, so siya yung hinire for the Transformers cover. And I basically just see Sandy of Comic Odyssey and Ivan Guerrero of Philbars. parang, Jiggy, who can we, tapos sabi ko, when's the deadline? Actually, in 2 days. Ha? In 2 days?
Oh.
So, sa mind ko, sino mabilis, who will fit sa, tapos, sinong ma-approve ng kumpanya, ganyan. Sabi ko, Vaughn is fast. He did a Transformers cover already. Baka siya yung best. Kung if time is an issue, siya siguro yung, tapos kailangan mo rin ng colorista. Sino yan. Ganon. Super bilis nung deadline nun. 2 a.m. nag-message. Vaughn, kailangan na namin today. Ganyan. Like, wala.
Ano ba dahil sa approval ba yan ng
Yes,
ng Marvel?
Hasbro.
Okay. Pero dati Marvel published Transformers tsaka
As
IDW.
para siyang Marvel was a company that you can hire. Uy, kunwari toy company, gawa naman kayo ng comics. Or yung parang they wanted to expand the toy line with comics and show. Kasi they needed to sell toys.
Yeah.
Yun.
So, let's say G.I. Joe, si Larry Hama yung pinasulat.
Siya yung parang inatasan
ganyan,
na, ikaw magsulat tungkol sa mga G.I. Joe, bigyan mo ng character.
If you watch yung The Toys That Made Us.
Panood ko yun eh.
Yeah, okay yun.
Pati sa Transformers naman, si Jim Shooter, ang inutusan niya si Denny O'Neil sa Transformers. Pero napunta kay
I'm forgetting the name.
Simon Furman ba yun? Yung artist?
Pero, ganon, galing. So, ngayon Skybound na. May image si Transformers.
Yun. So yan ang kwentuhan natin. Nakakabitin. Sana may part 2 to, Jiggy. Thank you for guesting dito sa Underpaid and for sharing
Thank
itong
you, Jiggy.
yung corporate job mo hanggang sa pag-manage mo ng artist. So sa mga immortal dyan na nakikinig, kung gusto nyo makapasok sa Marvel Comics, sundin nyo yung pinayo ni Jiggy. Diba?
Pero hindi ko kayo mapapasok. Like,
Oo.
all I can do is
Yun lang.
suggest and give advice.
Saka mag-attend kayo ng mga Comic Cons. Super Manila. Mga ganda ng Super Manila.
Next year.
Oo. So yan, there you have it for Jiggy Cruz. Zarda Los Reyes, I'm your host Stanley Chi. This is the Underpaid Podcast.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.